Hello girls and boys, let's do our experiment. Alright, so you will need some water, you'll need some kitchen towel, you'll need some plastic glasses, or I've got these aluminium cupcake holders, and you'll need some food coloring in the primary colors. Remember, the primary colors are blue, yellow and red. And for today's experiment, I'm going to use red and blue. Okay, so our method. So first of all, we're going to put some food coloring into each cup. So I'll start with the blue. Put some blue in. Can you see I'm working on a paper towel? I don't want anything to mess. The food coloring will stain. Okay, and let's put some red in. Okay, now what we're going to do next, there we go, we're going to add water to both of our cups. I'm going to add about half, just over half the amount of water. Try and make it equal, the same amount of water as over there in each one. All right, now using your kitchen towel, you roll it into a tube and bend it in half, okay? So just like I've done over there, I've bent it in half. Now I'm going to put one end into the red and one end into the blue. And then we are going to watch what happens as the colors travel. Okay, so can you see? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now what can you see is happening? What is happening to the red and what is happening to the blue? Now when they reach in the middle, what do you think is going to happen? That's right, they're going to come together and they are going to mix. Now we have been learning about primary colors and we know that red and blue makes the color purple. So after a while, it's going to mix with each other and we are going to see some purple over there. Now how this happens is the water moves up the paper towel because the paper is absorbent. It sucks up the water. And the color travels with the water, making the paper change from white to red or white to blue. Colors mix when they are joined together, and the red and the blue will make purple. Now you can have a go at this and see what colors you can make. So you can try it with red and yellow, or yellow and blue. You can mix those primary colors together, just two at a time. Okay, so I've got some questions. My first question is, what happens to the food coloring as the water is added? What happens to the paper towel after it has been dipped in the colored water? Does the water travel fast or slowly? And how could you change the speed of this? How could I make it go slower or how could I make it go faster? Why don't you experiment? If you've got some extra, move that, add less water next time and try adding more water. And what happens when the colors meet together?